Garador sectional garage doors are one of the best engineered garage doors on the market, providing excellent security for homeowners. The door is split into sections which run on vertical and then horizontal tracks back into the garage. These doors rise vertically with no loss of driveway space in front of the garage and provide full opening drive-through width, giving extra room for wider vehicles. Sectional garage doors come with a choice of insulation options, including standard, classic and premium. Standard insulated doors have 20mm insulation, and premium insulated doors have 42mm insulation. They feature rubber weather seals on all sections of the door to help keep heat in and water out. These doors are perfect for manual or electric operation.